One word substitution. One word substitution means using one word instead of a long sentence or phrase to make communication short, clear, and very smart. So the first sentence is a person who loves books is called bibliophile. Example, I am a bibliophile, so I enjoy reading books. A person who speaks many languages is called polyglot. Example, my cousin is a polyglot and speaks 4 languages. Third, a person who loves helping others is called philanthropist. Example, she is an philanthropist and donates to charities. A person who talks too much is called talkative. Example, my friend is very talkative in our class. A place where books are kept is called library. Example, I study in the library after college. A person who wakes up early is called early riser. Example, my father is an early riser. A story of someone's life written by another person is called biography. Example, I am reading a biography of a freedom fighter. A person who thinks positively is called optimist. Example, be an optimist and believe in yourself. A person who loves sleeping is called somnophile. Example, I am a somnophile and loves sleeping a lot. A person who loves eating is called foodie. Example, I am a foodie and enjoy trying new dishes. A person who loves traveling is called wanderer. Example, she is a wanderer and loves visiting new places. A person who talks a lot is called chatterbox. Example, he is a chatterbox. A person who loves nature is called naturalist. Example, she is a naturalist. A person who loves music is called melophile. Example, I am a melophile and listen to music every day. A person who loves silence is called quietist. Example, he is a quietist and enjoys silence. A person who loves animals is called animal lover. Example, she is an animal lover and feeds street dogs. A person who works very hard is called hardworking or diligent. A person who believes in God is called theist. Example, my grandmother is a theist. A person who doesn't believe in God is called atheist. Example, he is an atheist and follows science. A person who can't read or write is called illiterate. Example, my old friend is a illiterate. A person who speaks less is called reserved. A person who loves fashion is called fashionista. Example, she is a fashionista and loves dressing well. A person who loves traveling is called wanderlust. A person who loves animals is called zoophile. Example, she is zoophile and cares for animals. A person who loves nature is called nature lover. A person who loves himself herself a lot is called narcissist. Example, he is a narcissist and thinks himself. A person who speaks less is called taciturn. A person who wastes money very wisely is called spendthrift. A person who reads a lot is called bookworm. A person who can't keep secrets is called blabbermouth. She is a blabbermouth. A person who easily gets angry is called short-tempered. A person who is always happy is called cheerful. She is a cheerful girl. A person who loves peace is called pacifist. Example, she is a pacifist. A person who borrows money often is called debtor. Example, he is a debtor. A person who lends money is called creditor. A person who knows everything is called omniscient. A person who knows many subjects is called polymath. A person who believes in fate is called fatalist. A person who loves food is called foodie or gastronome.